Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I've got some big news for you. So I'm gonna unbox the Crafty Crew Kit for July 2025 by Crafty Stamp Company, and guess what? The price has gone down on these. So in a time when I think our crafty community is just seeing a lot of flux, a lot of change, a lot of companies have had to increase their prices in order to really just stay in business and try to make some money at their business, because of the introduction of new things like tariffs and perhaps even having to source their products from other places. Well, I really appreciate the fact that the Crafty Stamp Company has found a way to actually decrease the price of their Crafty Crew Kit. So if you're not familiar, this is a craft kit that is available every 2 months. If you subscribe, you'll get charged $45.95, which is a 35% savings off retail price, but you can, if you want, just to get one kit when it comes up for pre-order, and pay full price if you'd like. But by subscribing, you're gonna be guaranteed to get this kit to your doorsteps every 2 months. And it's really nice because the pre-order window is only open for about 2 weeks. So if you miss it, you miss it, and then you have to wait a year before you before these products come up again for sale. So during the first year that this releases, it's going to be exclusive to the folks who pick it up. So really awesome. I love the mesh zippered project bag because it's just big enough to kind of store all of your extras and all of your goodies. If you do subscribe, you are going to get some bonus items. So that's one thing that's another benefit to subscribing. So not only are you guaranteed not to miss out, but you're also going to get little bonus goodies, and as well, you're going to get a little, on the back of this is a little coupon code so that you can actually get a little bit of a savings the next time you shop. Then let me just start to unbox this kit. So not only do you get this mesh zippered storage bag, you also get this sleeve for your 6x6 papers. This is a gorgeous paper pad. It's called Going Camping, perfect for the summer. So I can already see these colors are gorgeous. And you know what? I see some prints in here that maybe you could even use for Christmas or the winter time. So look at these papers. They're pretty thick. Really lovely. They have a very slight semi-gloss to them, double-sided. I do love the fact that one side is very themed and then the other side is a more general print, so that does make it a little bit easier to craft with. Once you're done with the camping theme, you can always flip to the back and you've got this lovely plaid. This, I feel like, you know, you could use those as Christmas trees and make some beautiful Christmas cards with this. And again, you've got a lovely polka dot general pattern that you can use on the back. And as well, what's really great is, you know, you have some beautiful coordinating papers to craft with in these lovely patterns, and everything is curated, and it all works so beautifully together. Here's a beautiful red plaid. Oh, look at that. So you can see that if you flip to the back, you have a really nice coordinating pattern to use with it. And here's another gorgeous print. Love that. And this is the last set of 2. Really lovely. So that's our Going Camping 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided sheets in total, and you get 4 of each sheet. So you can see, like, look at how nicely that all just tucks in. So beautiful. Then we have a 6x6 stencil, And this is gorgeous. Again, I feel like this would be really great for, you know, a night sky. I almost think this could be used for winter cards as well. So I love that. Super, super versatile. You get 2 4x6 stamp sets, but let me open these up so that you can actually see what they look like. This is Campin' Meadow. So there's Meadow in her fun little camping outfit, her hiking boots, and then she's got her camping gear here. Love that. And then this one is Campfire Critters. Oh, these are always so fun to color up. Look at that. You've got raccoon, a fox, a bunny, a little bear, a little hedgehog. Super cute. A little reindeer. That's adorable. I really love this. This is such a fun stamp set. So 2 4x6 stamp sets. You've got a 6x6 stencil, a 6x6 paper pad. For subscribers, you're gonna get a little bit of a bonus. So we've got, oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I have to actually open this so that you can see it, because it's cute little camping clay slices. So, but it's got sequins, it's got a variety of things in there. You can kind of use these individually if you want. You got your marshmallows, you've got your graham crackers, you've got your fire, but you've got some confetti, just plain confetti in different colors as well. So I love that. That's a beautiful mix. And look how generous. I mean, the jar seems like it's not a very big jar, but look at how much that actually ends up being, and that's only half the jar once you pour it out. So this is quite a generous amount of a mix here, and you can really see that they've really packed this in tight. It's hard to actually get this all back in. So this kit is available for pre-order between June 1st and 15th. Kits will start to ship out July 5th. So be sure that you pre-order so that you can get this kit to your doorstep. Remember, if you subscribe, then you're going to save 35% off of retail, and you're going to be guaranteed to get this Crafty Crew kit to your door every 2 months. So you'll get charged every 2 months. The kit will automatically arrive on your doorstep. You don't have to worry about missing the pre-order window, but you can get this as a one-off kit if you are just interested in trying it out for this 1 month. So you can feel free to do that, but be sure that you get your pre-order in before the 15th, because after that, it is not going to be available for an entire year. So be sure to get your pre-orders in if you are interested. Thanks for checking out this video, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.